G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here, back with some more Copilot Cowork amazing scenarios for you. This time we are going to be taking all of your ticketing data or issue data along with call transcripts and lots of different pieces of information out of a system. So think of this as a scenario. We're going to use Cowork to then give us an amazingly presented interactive dashboard. Now, this is all out of a scenario that came out of a large Copilot Cowork or Copilot in general enablement day for Microsoft partners and MSPs yesterday. So this is something that the room came up with, and we just did this and worked on this on the fly. So let's get stuck into the setup first, what we've got, the data, and then let's put Cowork into action. All right, so here we go inside of SharePoint. We've got all of our exports out of our system. Now, again, think of this as a scenario, but because I was with a lot of MSPs, we were trying to tackle their ticketing system and understanding, sentiment and looking at resolution times and calls and lots of different things. So what we've got here is a document library inside of a SharePoint site and with all of our exports. So you can see we've got transcripts, we've got a couple of Excel sheets, we've got phone call data, and if I open up this ticketing system Excel doc here, we can see that I've got all of the information that's come out of that particular system. And let's just have a look at how many rows we've got. So we've got around about 1,000 rows here in this. And then we've got, along with that, all of the transcripts of calls or support calls or things like that that have come in these files. So we've got all our data ready. Now we're inside of SharePoint, but let's now jump into Cowork. Now let's put Cowork into action here. So I have a prompt. Now here's the prompt that the areas that we wanted to report on. Okay, and have in this dashboard. So we can see here, we've got our operational performance, so SLAs and calls and all that sort of stuff. We've then got our agent and team performance, so we can see how our team is tracking. We've got our customer and commercial section, demand and deflection. Okay, so we can see we've got a ticket type and demand mix. We've got sentiment and quality, and also a section here for specifically that is driven by transcripts. So that is everything that we put together, right? So maybe 5 minutes backwards and forwards, we were going to get all of the information that we wanted to report on. Now, up the top here, we can see that I've got basically my prompt, right? So can you please create an interactive HTML report based on these files that I'm going to give you? Below are all the KPI reports that we want and areas that we want to report on, all right? I want this to be branded and designed in our company brand, right? So I'm also going to include a design or our design system. So a design MD file that I've created for us. So I'm going to say, let's go and attach cloud files. I'm going to navigate to that SharePoint site. All right. And then what we're going to do is select those files. So I'm going to go to my site. Here is my library, and I'm just going to select all of these files. So I've got 22 files selected there. I'm including everything. All right. Now, the next part of this is going to be my design file, right? So let's just grab my design MD file, and we will also include that into the context window here. So let me just grab that and drag that across. There it is there. We'll drop that in. That has now been, let's just double check, that has now been uploaded as well, right? So let's put Cowork to the test. Let's hit send, all right? Now, while that is working away and working out its plan to do, so we've got all of our references in here, let's have a look at the actual end result here. So we can see here, this is one that I ran earlier, all right? Same report, all right? And you can see how good this report is. It has given not just the data, but some commentary, some information, some text, lots of different insights into that data. So we've got our dashboard here, 1,000 tickets, 500 calls, but have a look at this presentation, right? It's actually built out basically a self-contained site. I've got navigation on the left-hand side, which is all sticky as well, so that stays with the page. And let's have a look at all of our sections. So we've got our operational performance. Here's all of our SLA and resolution performance. Here are some graphs. So it's used Chart.js to actually create these graphs for us. And when we hover over these, we've got our interactive elements here as well. And if we go down here to our first contact, first cell resolution, and we can see first call resolution, keep talk time versus full resolution time. We've got our stats there that's coming from the information, customer effort score. Keep scrolling down the page. Here is our team performance, right? So we can see we've got who's got the most tickets, the calls, the total, the average resolution times as well. Keep scrolling down. We've got our workload. So you can see how much data has been put together and presented in a really nice, easy to read way. And this could be repeatable. Right, so now that we've got our exports coming out of our system, we could then use this as a repeating process that we do maybe on a monthly or a weekly basis, depending on how you are reporting. Now, we've also got an agent specialization pattern heat map here as well. So we'll keep scrolling down. After hours, so you can see every single component that I asked for has been presented really nicely. And it's using that design MD file so that I've got my branding, my colors, and all of that type of thing as well. All right. Industry benchmarking, and keep scrolling down the page. It is jam-packed full of information, data, and have a look at this one here. And there's the sentiment, and we've got the tickets and the calls. So the baseline sentiment analysis it's done, plus we're looking at how that is represented over the tickets and the calls as well. All right, so we've got all of that information, and you can see how nicely presented that all is, all interactive. And the best thing is that it is a repeatable thing that we can do, right? So we're using SharePoint there, and we're using the files inside of SharePoint. Now, this is step one. All right, so we can see here, I'll jump back into Cowork. This is all on its way and doing its thing right now. All right. Now, think about the potential here to have this run on a schedule. All right. The exports come out of a system. It gets put into a SharePoint document library, and this could run on a schedule once a month, and it gets the new information, the new data every time, and then just generates that report and that dashboard straight away. Okay. Let's let this run, and we'll come back and see the end result of this pass. All right, so our dashboard has been created, and you can see that I'm getting a wrap up of what has been created. Now, you'll also notice up the top here that Cowork actually found some bugs in the report, and it went back and fixed it. So it did a verification after it had created and found a few little bugs. So let's have a look at this dashboard now. Now, remembering this is probably going to be different to the one. Okay, so I gave it a different design MD file, and you can see that it has changed the branding and the colors. I've still got the same data here, but we can see that I've got all of this information now being presented, right? All right, so we've just expanded the page so it's a lot bigger because it was responsive and I was using a smaller resolution or browser width. So we can see on the screen here, if I scroll all the way up to the top, that this has changed the design because I've got a new design MD file, but I've still got all of this amazingly presented information. All of my sections are exactly the same. Here are all of my talk time versus full-time resolution, and you can see what the graph actually, or what the data, how it has actually been presented. So this is an amazing presentation of all of that data for us, all right? So Copilot Cowork. If you give it a task, and this is something that I'm starting to stress a lot, is that it's a different way of working. We are actually delegating tasks to Copilot now. It will actually go and do things for you, not just a chat interface, but actually going and giving it tasks.